Assalam you alaikum everyone. How to grow our YouTube channel. Hello friends. Today I'm going to share some important ways to grow your YouTube channel with you. Growing a YouTube channel is a specific process and requires hard work. But if you pay attention to these experiences, it will help you in the growth of your channel. Focus on topics. Choose the topics for your channel according to the preferences of your audience. Experiment with topics and find out what your audience wants to see. Provide quality content. Make your videos better in terms of content. Provide beautiful, informative, and interesting content so that people are impressed by watching your videos. Maintain consistency. Create a consistent publishing schedule for your channel. Share videos on specific days and times so that your viewers know when your new videos will come out. Make titles and descriptions interesting. Make your video titles and descriptions interesting so that people eagerly anticipate watching your videos. Use social media. Share your videos on your social media accounts so that more people watch your videos and subscribe. Collaborate with your audience. Listen to the opinions of your viewers and answer their questions and interactions. Collaborate with them to keep them engaged with your channel. Be patient and persistent. Growing a YouTube channel takes time. Be patient and consistently work on your channel. These were some ways you can use to grow your YouTube channel. With hard work and perseverance, you will surely achieve success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be a part of our experiences. Thank you.